achievement is a testament to his dedication and commitment to advancing educational excellence. It is indeed a privilege to gather here to enhance our practices in one of the most critical aspects of quality in modern manufacturing. This FDP has been thoughtfully curated to address the various aspects and challenges in manufacturing. It is designed to equip each of us with the latest insights, methodologies and tools necessary to achieve and maintain the highest standards of quality. Over the course of FDP, we will explore quality function deployment, Lean and Six Sigma methodologies and logistics optimization. We are privileged to have a diverse and talented group of speakers and facilitators joining us to share their valuable insights and industrial experience and guide us through the latest advancements in quality management, offering practical knowledge that can be applied both in industry and in academic settings. Now, I request
when he went to the IITs, he searched in the library and bring the papers and used to give me to go into it. ఆ విధంగా ఏంటంటే ఎంటెక్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నా ఎంటెక్ తీసుకుని పైకి వేసినానండి ఇంక చాలు చదువు అనేసి. అప్పుడు ఆయన కాలేజ్ పిహెచ్డీ చేయాలి ఒకసారి నాకెందుకు కలిసాను ఎందుకు డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఉపయోగం లేదు సార్ ఎందుకు సార్ నాకెందుకు లేదు పోలేదు పిహెచ్డీలో మామూలు.
And earlier some people were there and most of them are also my students. Those of almost similar age and they have studied their MTechs. Narayan Rao, J. Kumar, Madhu, and Tulsi Rao, Gopi, Yamalata, Raju. For these two are direct students, Yamalata and Raju, Nilima. And Rajalakshmi is now she belongs to civil department, we have the association, and Subramanian are electrical. And Malesh and the many, maybe the recent faculty, those who are not, maybe I not associated much. Earlier I used to come for this institution as an examiner for the.
So here I would like to ask the people to take an active part to involve themselves, and also the senior people who are sitting here to make a framework of this quality management, and we are focusing being a mechanical engineer for manufacturing systems. So with this few words, I greet you all and have a good success. Learn something, have some takeaway from this program. Thank you all.
Because చాలా మంది అనుకుంటారు వీరికి నాన్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ వరకు ఇక్కడికి పని ఇంజనీరింగ్ చేస్తుంటారు. Of course, engineering management is the backbone of your engineering branches. Thanks for the invitation, Mr. Narayan Rao garu. Actually గా సార్ చెప్పినట్టు FDP ప్రోగ్రామ్ మనకు పాలిటెక్నిక్ లో జరగడం స్టేట్ లో ఇదే ఫస్ట్. నేను కూడా పేపర్లో చూశాను. మన 84 మంది 87 గవర్నమెంట్ పాలిటెక్నిక్స్ లో ఒకే ఒక పాలిటెక్నిక్ FDP ప్రోగ్రామ్ మన గవర్నమెంట్ పాలిటెక్నిక్ విశాఖపట్నంలో జరుగుతున్నందుకు చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. దీని అంతటికీ కారణం మెకానికల్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ హెడ్ తో పాటుగా వాళ్ళకి గైడ్ చేసిన మెకానికల్ పర్సన్ అయిన. సో కాబట్టి మిగతా డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ కూడా ఇది చేయండి. సో దేనికైనా మన మెగా పాలిటెక్నిక్ మోడల్ గా ఉండాలి.
So not one time meet the expectations, consistently meet the expectations then only we can believe that different process in any industry. So I cannot go to this process. But in manufacturing industries, definitely they can go to this one and this one also. They're very much useful. So product planning and parts planning and process planning and then production planning. So here you can see the sequential transformation, sequence of reflection of the typical. This path is sequential. House of quality and its a framework. The first phase. I am focusing on the first phase. That is the house of quality and its a framework. Here, in fact, it is the first phase of QFD. That is called house of quality. See, it is a kind of a map. It is a
parts, erosion path, inflection, preventing electrode material. It highly purity ensures it acts as an effective insulator, preventing an electric shocks and improving the cutting process. In this process, there is no cutting force involved. The white electrode workpiece is never physically touch the workpiece. There is no mechanical cutting force involved. Instead of the material removed through the electrical discharge only, which means there is no process deformation applied to the part, and it is very precision and complexity. Plastic molds, powder metallurgy molds, and so on. And which is have 2D and 3D phase combined with the components. It is able to tinning, machining abnormal shape, group, and machining.